It's been a while since my previous unboxing video of coffee beans during the MCO. So today I would like to do an exciting unboxing video related to my interest, coffee obviously. The initial plan was to upgrade my coffee machine from super auto to the semi-auto or level coffee machine. So why I want to upgrade? It is because I wanted to practice my latte art skill, which is I require a good steamer with higher bar coffee machine to produce a better coffee creamer. It's not easy, guys. But according to my husband, due to MCO aka COVID-19, market share for the home coffee machine suddenly increased significantly, and that made demand short the market supply. So when the demand goes higher, supply not enough due to post-manufacturing, and then the result is price not good. There was one time we went to Harvey Norman, the salesman told us even 6K coffee machine also sold out. By the way, it was according to him. Only later I found out by connecting the dots, he actually reluctant to change the super auto to anything faster unless I come with an agreement to make the coffee anytime he wants. So, what is in this box? It's pretty heavy. So we decided to take our coffee addicts to the next new level, which is we bought a coffee beans roaster. Yes guys, we're gonna roast the beans ourselves. Maybe some of you will wonder why we need to waste our money buying the roaster. You can use normal pan to roast, but my answer is we use super auto coffee machine. Read between the lines. So I asked him, why you bought this? Again, math class started. Let's put this way, you may find this useful. So this machine he bought from Lazada around RM 140 plus shipping is around 150. Probably free shipping, but he also not sure. We just put it 150. Okay. Our monthly consumption of coffee beans is around 500 grams. So the cost is roughly around RM 45 on average if we bought roasted beans. Sometimes more and sometimes less. Depends on what kind of beans we have for that month. Then the raw or green beans would only cost us around RM 40 per kg. Wow, that's huge difference. So for the projection, our monthly beans cost will only half from before. We put this way, 40 minus 20, we save around 25. Or maybe you wanna put another RM 10 for utility, cost plus effort. Even this machine is auto, we still save RM 15. So for 150 for the machine cost, we'll break even after 10 months of use. Since the warranty period is 1 year, we are good. But we will pray it will last longer than that. So guys, that's all for today. Maybe I will show you how to use it on the next video. Until then, bye!